Wait for love, kids teaching kids, learning all new stuff. Wait for all, bam! Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Lane with Lane's World, Kids Teaching Kids World TV on YouTube. Today we're going to be smashing a rock, so come along with that adventure. Just please smash that like down below, subscribe down below, smash that bell, have a comment down below, share it to your friends, and we'll do the supplies in the next video. Here, we'll need this rock, because I know we're going to be smashing it. It is pretty cool. Sparkling. Then we'll need goggles that pieces don't fly around in our eyes. We don't want that. Also, do not make your baby try this at home. And then here, we'll need a hammer so that we can smash it. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of steps. So step 1, clean the rock. Okay, here we go, right? Now watch. Now clean the rock carefully. We're gonna make sure we can see it before we smash it. So getting all the stuff out. All the dust out of it. Gotta make sure it's nice and clean. Okay. Then step 2. Then wipe it off with the towel. Okay, right? Now we're gonna wipe it off. Here, I'll make sure you guys can see the rock. So here I'm wiping off the rock. Okay. That looks good. And you see that? Now there isn't dirty stuff. Now we will be smashing it in the next video. See you in the next video.
Yep.
Okay. Now I have goggles on so that it doesn't get in my eye. Okay, now we're gonna start. First, the hammer. Okay, ready?
Right.
Now let's see if we can smash this guy open.
Whoa!
Alright, let's see. Let's see what's in it.
Show it to the camera.
And look at that. Look what we found. And let's see.
You want to smash it again?
Hey, Dad, we found a geode.
Nice. You want to try and smash it again?
Yeah, this is part of the National Geographic. Alright, guys, we're going to see if there's any gold. Here we go.
Bring it back over here. Alright, show me what you got.
Apparently we found crystals. Cool, right guys? And here, I'm gonna add it to my collection. Alright. Thanks for watching the video. Also be sure to smash that like, subscribe down below, smash that bell, have a comment down below, share it to your friends. Thank you very much. Bye-bye, see you in the next video.